Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how natural gas price has moved in the last month and how the natural gas price can move in this particular month. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen a very volatile market in 2005 to 2008. 2005 to 2008 we have seen a very huge volatility in the market of natural gas. After that, what we have seen a range bound market from 2009 to 2021. The range was, if you say around 11 years, it was in this particular range. Okay, and after this particular war has come in Ukraine and Russia, we have seen that the price of natural gas has made high and made a level of around 7.9, and then now again today it hit a level of $8. Before that, we move on the charts. If you have any doubt regarding natural gas or any other commodities or forex or stocks, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in natural gas and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, now if you look at the chart, from 2019 the range has break upside, and now the particular price of natural gas is around 88.032. Suppose if this particular level sustain, what we can see, if the particular level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 8.148, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 8.232. okay, and once this particular range move upside, more further upside, then we can see it can move to a level of 8.441. okay, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 8.608. okay, and this is the particular level where we have seen the testing, the resistance being already weakened, so probability will be high. We can see it can go to a level of 8.650, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 8.817. okay, and once this particular range again, because all these levels are already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see a level of 9.486. okay, and once this particular level also sustain 9.48, then we can see it can go and move to a level of 9.736, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 10 also. okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can touch a level of 8.201, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 8.424, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 8.679, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 8.870. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 8.998. From there we can see a level of 9.158. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 9.477, and it can go further upside. okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can fall further towards a level of 7.690, and if that also level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down to a level of 7.371. okay, once if it goes below that level, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of 7.244, and from there we can see another support at a level of 6.988. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 6.733, and once if it goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 6.542, and this is the strong support. Once this particular support breaks downside, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of 5.617. okay, before that, if it goes below a level of 5.9, then we can see a level of 5.585, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of 5.395. okay, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 5.202, and then we can see it will come again in this particular zone, and it will move into a range bound. okay, so now any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID in the description. Now understand one thing, if you are investing or trading, please consult your financial advisor before invest or trading. Now suppose if you are trading, it's just what I teach in my workshop. See, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Suppose if you take 5 trades, and your risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100. got it? $50 to $100. okay, so once if you lose even 5 trades, you know your risk is $500. okay, so next day you can focus more on profit rather than recovering your loss. That will help you to more focusing on the profit. okay, this is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend my workshop, you can mail me and we can work out on the timing. Thank you. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.